The KitchenAid KFP0718BM 7-cup food processor is designed with a unique one-click, twist-free bowl assembly and latched lid, making it very user-friendly. The sealed, leak-resistant work bowl of this food processor is easy to clean, and all parts including the bowl, lid, and accessories are dishwasher-safe. With a compact design and in-bowl accessory storage, the KitchenAid food processor is easy to store, further enhanced by a convenient cord wrap. This processor comes with 3 speed options, high, low, and pulse, and features easy press paddles with illuminated LED controls for precision handling of a variety of ingredients. The KitchenAid food processor is versatile, capable of chopping, pureeing, shredding, and slicing a wide range of items, such as cucumbers, tomatoes, and cheeses, thanks to the reversible medium slicing shredding disc and multi-purpose blade. The 2-in-1 feed tube allows for processing of a variety of shapes and sizes, with a small oil drizzle opening on the small pusher for emulsifying sauces and dressings.